Let's play Viper, and well, this is my Amiga 1200 in 1920 by 1080. But today we are going to play Viper. Do you see it? There's the Viper game. And let me just start the game and have some fun. And you can see it there, Viper. We will play it now. That is the best resolution this game can be played in. So enjoy. Let's just switch a little bit here. There. So it's time to play Viper. Viper is a snake game. Sorry for my chair. It's a bit cracked, old chair, but yeah. In this game, you can challenge your friends or family. There's only a shareware version on Aminet. There's no way to get a full-paid version anymore. But at least the shareware version can let 3 people play at once. As you see, I have different options here. You have 3 colors, 3 players that can play.
Unable to comply.
If you click on the 4th player,
Unable to comply.
blah blah blah. It doesn't work. But of course, yeah. But of course, you can play against computers. And since I don't have anyone here right now, I will be playing against the computer.
Unable to comply.
Yeah. So I will choose red, blue, and green. I will be the green one. I want the red and the blue to be computers, and you see the C here. And you can just start and see how it goes. This is an awesome game. Okay. And yes, as you see, you can circle around, and the object is to go through each other's holes. But that is not always easy. So, and there's the next round. So 3 players can play at once in the shareware version. And then you see how the computer players plays. Yeah, they are leading this race right now. And all the keys on the keyboard can be used at once. No! And as you see, you can bounce once from the walls. Yeah. It's a very fun game. And it is free on Amnet. I wish I could contact the developers of this game, because it is fun. It is a party game like no other. Now I have 7 points. Let's see how far I can get. So you get points when you go through another snake's hole that it's creating. No! Everyone. This game is addictive. Sorry for the noise on the picture, but this is the best picture I can get from this game. No! This is not my round, but it's fun to show you how this game is, and yeah. I will not win this round, but at least showing you how this game is played. Oh! And the sound effects in the game is, yeah, very, very good. No! You have to time it correctly. This is a fun game. No! Let's see how far we can get. I think there is a game released on Google Store, or Apple Play Store, that is similar to this one, but don't know if it is made by the same author or not. Oh, a little bit better. Yeah, we are playing until 30 points, and I am going to lose this round. But let's see. Oh. Wow. Tight race. Let's see if I can at least beat the blue one. Wow. Really another round. Whoa. Woohoo! No! Well, the red one has won, I think. Yes. And
No! I did it, man. Game over, man. Game over. What do I do now?
okay. So, and you can choose how much points you want to play for. Maybe 30, 31, 30, 60. Let's have a 30 still. And yeah. And yeah. I don't want to be green anymore. I want to use del and help keys. Maybe that will help me. So let's start.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like Star Trek right now. Now I'm using the biggest keys on the Amiga keyboard. No! Ah. Okay. Oh, the red one is still winning. But maybe we can prove that somehow. Yes. Yes. Oh. No! But let's see if we can concentrate a little bit more and win. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes. No! Well, first time I'm leading. Yeah, this game takes some practice to master, but once you master it, it's very fun. No! Ay, ay, ay. Wow, the blue one strike with lots of points there. Ay, ay, ay. And the game always runs a little bit faster and faster and faster. Oh. Yeah. Well, still leading. That's how, and it's random where you are starting also, and that is pretty cool. And this works on 68060, 100 megahertz, as you see, as it should. So that is fun. See if we can. Yes. No. Wow. The blue one is really good. Yes. Yeah, and when one of the one dies. No, almost 27. So this is a fantastic multiplayer game for the Amiga. Download it from Aminet for free. The shareware version, at least. No. No. 2 more points, and we can make it. No. Tight race now. Yes. So it's important to focus. No. I think. Oh. Well, we are not over. Let's try the last one, and I want to be this color. Let's see if that helps. No. Wow. The blue one is really putting its on the leaderboard. No. Oh yeah, wow. It's 10 points already. I have 0 points. Okay. Focus. Yes.
Don't.
No. Wow. The blue one is really taking some points now. No. This game can be really hard if at times, but if you are very lucky, you can strike the game with lots of points. Yeah, and missing the holes is at times really hard. And you see the score bars also. Yes, that was really nice. No, good round for me. My color is moving up. No. I think the blue will win this time. Let's see. Oh. 11 points only. No way I will win this game. But wow, 15. Maybe we can reach the second place. That will be great. Or if one dies, then we can. Oh, now we are in second place. Let's see if we can reach that milestone. No. Okay. No. No. Yes.
Game over. What do we do now?
At least second place. Yeah. So this is a Viper, and it's a fun game. It's one of the coolest party games for the Amiga. I suggest that you go to the party guide on amitopia.com website. Subscribe and like this video if you love it. I tried my best. I didn't win. I came in second place 2 times. I'm happy with that. So take care and have an awesome day. And just look at this awesome outro of this game. You click.